Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Know It Well. Wishing the entire Know It Well family a happy Republic Day. India is my country and I am the proud citizen of India. So it is important for me to tell you the story of Indian Republic Day. So friends, here I am with another video to educate you. January 26 is just a holiday for few, but it's a special day for all Indians because there are many significant memories associated with this day. It was this day when the Indian national flag was first hoisted at Lahore by Jawaharlal Nehru. This is the day when the Indian National Congress made the well-known declaration of Purna Swaraj or complete self-rule, and the declaration of an independent Indian National Congress was also made. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26 every year to remember the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. India was ruled by British for over 200 years. India gained independence from the rule of the British Raj after a very long freedom struggle. Though India got its independence on August 15, 1947, the Constitution came into effect on January 26, 1950. August 15, 1947 was not a date that India had chosen for itself. Rather, it was given by Lord Louis Mountbatten as it marked the second anniversary of Japan's submission to Allied power after Second World War. After the independence, India did not have a constitution of its own. Indian laws were based on a modified version of the British established Government of India Act 1935. So, 2 weeks after the independence, a drafting committee with the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as chairman was appointed for drafting a permanent Indian constitution. Although the constitution was adopted on November 26, 1949, it came into force on January 26, 1950, a day chosen by Indians for themselves. It held immense significance for the country. Thus, when the Constitution of India was adopted on November 26, 1949, many considered it necessary to celebrate this day, which is associated with the national pride, and the date was January 26. It is a day when every community comes together and it celebrates leaving past all their differences, and this day is celebrated across India. In Delhi, at Rajpath, magnificent parades by regiments of the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, Police and paramilitary forces march. So friends, that's all for now in this video. If you find this video informative and helpful, then like and share the video. Also subscribe to my channel Know It Well. For the latest updates, please hit the notification.